Okay, this is Gigi's litter. That's everybody. Here comes Ruby. Can you guys follow me? Come on. They just ate, so they're helping each other clean their faces. Doing a very good job. Okay, let me tell you who everybody is. So this is obviously Malachite, and this is Ruby. That's Ruby. Hi, Ruby. Let's see who this is. I have to cheat on the chocolates. This is Silver. That's Silver. This is Sapphire. Come here, Sapphire. Come here. So that's Sapphire. That's Opal scratching. Sorry, Emerald scratching. This is, that's Opal. Say hi, Opal. Opal's got an itch too. That's Opal. This is Silver. That's Silver. Who have I not shown you? I think that's everybody. This is Sapphire. This is little Ruby. This is Emerald. Pink collar. This is Opal. She's just slightly lighter than the others. This is Silver again. That's Silver. There's Malachite. Malachite, you want to say hello? You're not going to move? Okay, so I think you met everybody. One more time through. This is Emerald. That's Emerald. That's Malachite. The chocolate there with Malachite is Opal. This is Sapphire. That's Sapphire. And this is Silver. So that's them. They're excited to meet you.